What do you do when crypto is crashing, when Bitcoin is down, the market is stormy? Do you run for the hills and capitulate and sell? Or is there opportunity there? That's what this video is going to be about today. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about when markets go down, when things get stormy, when people get scared, when the candles are red, everyone's selling. What do you do? How do you navigate this market on a stormy day? It is a stormy day out here today. The waves are crashing, so just like in the crypto markets, we have these uncomfortable waves out here. Nobody wants to be in there. In fact, if you look around me, very, very few people are on this beach right now, except for me, because I got to do my morning walk every morning. But nobody's here. Everyone has left. They've sold. You compare this to Bitcoin, they're selling their Bitcoin. They're getting out. They're getting scared. The fear is high. So does that mean you do the same thing? All right, let's dive into this and talk about market psychology. You may have heard in trading that you want to buy the fear and sell the greed. You want to, and you hear me say this, you want to buy when it's uncomfortable and sell when you don't want to. But do you really do that? Do you actually take action on that? And I'm going to guess most of you don't. If you do that, if you know how to do that, let me know in the comments below, or feel free to share your experience to me. Are you scared right now? Are you scared that crypto is going to go, that Bitcoin is going to go down even further, that you're going to lose money? Or are you looking at this as an opportunity? So, market psychology has been there for thousands of years and will continue to be there for thousands of years because we are all humans. So, when markets go down, you need to understand a few things. Markets move in waves. We move in smaller daily waves. We move in smaller larger weekly waves, larger monthly waves, and even yearly waves. And markets will wave, they'll go up and they'll go down. It's that volatility is why we can extract that profit from crypto. But when prices break down, and by the way, Bitcoin is at 88,800 right now, and we've been talking about this week how 90,000 is kind of that line in the sand. We needed to hold that line. Now, does that mean we've broken down for good? We don't know yet, because we need to confirm more candles below that area if we're going to go down more. So right now, people are scared. They're thinking, if you go look on Twitter right now or X, everyone's talking about how crypto is going to go down. You're going to see signs that we're headed down further. We're headed down to 60. We're heading down to 35K. And those things could play out, but we won't know until we get closer to that. But I can say this, that just like these waves right here are crashing in, and hardly anyone is at this beach right now because it's windy, the days will calm out. It'll be a nice sunny day. People will flock back to this beach. There'll be umbrellas all over the place over there. It's kind of like a little touristy area right here that I walk through. And the sun will be shining and prices will go back up again. And then, same thing that happens with Bitcoin and crypto. You'll see that these weekly cycles will happen, and you could take advantage of these lower prices, accumulate, swing trade, whatever you want to do with your strategy, and hopefully you do have a strategy. So let's talk specifically where we are in the price action of Bitcoin, and then you can use your market psychology to navigate this. So as I just mentioned, we broke down below 90K. That was kind of like our support. That was the area we were bouncing off, and now we're below that, 88,000. Now, if we stay below this, like I said, if we stay below 88,000 for the next several weeks, then most likely we will be going down. It could even go down in the next couple weeks, and we'll go test that lower range, 85, 84, and then we'll have to kind of look at the levels from there. We've already hit a low down at 80K. If we break down below 80K, then yes, we're going to go lower. But this could be, the probability is that this could be the opportunity where we still bounce up and we go hit 92, 95, maybe even come close to that 98 again. And if we have a short squeeze, which can happen, probably lesser of a probability in the next few weeks to have a short squeeze up to 100K, that's very, very possible. If you guys look, the sun is just peeking up above. Can you guys see that? Just peeking up above. But very possible that Bitcoin likes to wreck people on the way down, wreck people on the way up. It's very possible we could hit that. Probability-wise is 2026 is we're going to have some lower prices over the course of this year with some bounces. This is the time where people stay away. They don't want to be in the beach. They don't want to be in the storms, but it's the best time to be in crypto. It is the best time to take advantage of these markets and dollar cost average, average order into Bitcoin, maybe some of the bigger alts that have some promise in them, and then you ride it back up the next cycle. And that's kind of how it works. Now, we are not in a bear market. We are not in a technical bear market. This could just be a correction before one last push up. Now, you'll see people talking about how gold and silver have just skyrocketed. It's been amazing. Oh, sorry, you gotta look at that sun. There's a surfer out there. Check that out. Surfer, sun's coming up. But gold and silver have skyrocketed. So there are some people that say, well, I think people are they're gonna sell their gold and silver, they're gonna pay for gold and silver, and they're gonna move it into other risk assets. I'm not sure about that. It's all going to depend on a lot of economic factors. If they finally say we're in recession, which means we'll already have been in a recession for a long time, I'm not sure that the risk appetite of people are going to be pumping into meme coins or pumping even into Bitcoin. It might be. It's very, very possible, but we'll know when we get there. All right, a couple things to kind of wind this up. If you're confused about the markets, if you're scared, if you're not quite sure if you should be buying or when you should be selling, head down the description of this video and register for our free workshop. We'll teach you how to really navigate these markets, how to actually have some success trading Bitcoin, crypto, and how it really works, how we do it, how we play both sides of the markets with our two-way win strategies, with our automated trading strategies. It doesn't matter to us if the markets go up or down. We profit in either direction, and once you can learn that, it will really change your life. Just remember, buy on red, sell on green. Buy when it's uncomfortable, sell when you don't want to. Alrighty guys, if you guys have any questions for me, let me know in the comments down below. I'll navigate my way through these pigeons here. All right, so this is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life in anything you do. We will see you guys on another video. Okay, I gotta show you this. The sun is starting to come out. The colors are good. A few more people here on the beach. We've had a little cold spell here the last several days, but I do think it's gonna warm up, just like the crypto market's gonna warm up. All right, guys, so see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.